Let us solve the fourth main of exercise 4.1 quadratic equation. So look at the question. It says Rohan's mother age. Okay, Rohan's mother's age is given as 26 more than. So we will write it as plus Rohan's age, isn't it? And we do not know what is exactly Rohan's age, right? Product of their ages after 3 years, or it is given that from 3 years or 3 years from now, which means after 3 years, isn't it? So after 3 years, the product of their ages is equal to what? It is 360. So then the question is asking us to find out what is Rohan's present age, right? So to solve this, what do we do? Let us consider Rohan's age to be x. So if we consider Rohan's age to be x, then what will be Rohan's mother age? It is given that Rohan's mother age is 26 plus Rohan's age, which means her age will be 26 plus x years. Okay. Now it is said that 3 years from now, okay. So meaning after 3 years, what will be Rohan's age? Rohan's age will be x plus 3 because current age or the present age of Rohan is x. So therefore, after 3 years, his age would be x plus 3. Similarly, what will be Rohan's mother age after 3 years? So even her age would be added up to plus 3. Is it? Therefore, her present age is 26 plus x plus after 3 years plus 3. So therefore, her age will be 26 plus, 29 plus x years. Okay. So now it's here in the question that the product of their ages after 3 years. So after 3 years, their ages are x plus 3 and 29 plus x. So product of these two will give us what? 360. So therefore, when we take a product of these two, so we get this equation. So when we rearrange it, what do we get? X square plus 32x plus 87 minus 360. So when I take the difference of these two, I will be getting 273 equal to 0. So therefore, my factors will be 39 and 7. We get x into x plus 39 and here minus 7 into x plus 39. So, okay, so therefore the factors are x plus 39 into x minus 7 equal to 0. Now going back to the question, we consider Rohan's age to be x years, isn't it? So now we got x is equal to 7 or x is equal to minus 39. So age cannot be in minus, right? So we cannot take this minus 39. So we'll have to omit that minus 39 and consider x is equal to 7 years. So therefore, Rohan's present age will be what? 7 years.